Hey guys, welcome to the Advanced Affiliate Marketing course. I'm David, passive income marketer. I practice intentional affiliate marketing. What does that mean? That means I begin with the end in mind. I have a plan, a process, and a procedure in place to choose a program, choose a product, and to promote it with a specific course, a path to follow, an easy, repeatable process for each product that I promote so I can get steady, predictable, reliable results in a timely fashion, in a predictable manner. So I'm not living haphazardly, so it's not unpredictable. We like to create predictability, and with experience in marketing, you learn how to create that. Okay, so let's jump in and talk a little bit about affiliate marketing and how massive action in marketing can help create predictability with results. So with affiliate marketing, this is what most people will normally begin with, okay? You're gonna have a lot of people are going to join a program, right? They're going to find a program to join. They sign up. Very simple, quick process. We'll go through at least one where I'll show you step by step how to do it. It's as simple as, fill in the blank, name here, social information, and email, phone number, contact info, how do you want to get paid, that type of information. Pretty straightforward, pretty upfront. All right, so you're going to be joining a program to promote a specific product within the niche that you have chosen, right? Within your niche, right? So this is what most people tend to do and where they go wrong with affiliate marketing immediately. They join a program with a niche and they get their link. Right? This is their link to get paid. So you join a program within your niche, they give you an affiliate link, and when you share that link to sell that product and someone clicks on that link, you get paid. Well, this is what people do wrong, is they share this link direct to consumers. Okay? And they do so on this website. They send it straight to the program. And they think that's the fastest way for me to get paid. And they might even spend money on an ad right here, right? They're going to do a paid ad right here. So they join a program to get their link. Once they have their link, they pay for an ad to get customers. Those customers respond to the ad and buy a product on the program's page. The problem with that is you aren't collecting any leads. You don't know who these people are because you don't carry the inventory, you don't fulfill the ads, you don't respond to customer service. You're out of the loop once you promote your link. That's good and bad, right? So this is what most people do. This is luck. All right? I got lucky. I made a quick buck selling stuff on the internet. That's all that is.